What's going on, everybody? Today is a good day. Just got my brand new helmet in, a Kyt helmet, NZ carbon fiber. It will be replacing one of my favorite helmets, my LS2 carbon Thunder. I went down with this helmet, as you can see, and in some of my videos, I've been wearing it, a couple scratches on it, and on the side of it. But it was a good helmet. It is a good helmet, and I love it. But I gotta go with the new one. Get it out the box here. See what we got. Got it wrapped pretty nice. Got it double wrap. Like how they wrap the helmet up. Ooh, I like it. This is nice. It's lightweight. Like the design with the carbon fiber. Kyt, even on the air duct at the bottom. It's a nice helmet. Opening is a little stiff. Padding feel good. I'll be able to put my speakers in without them falling out. I like that about it. Even got the carbon in the inside. It's not helmet. Now it's a little stiff closing it. But overall, it's a nice helmet. I like it. Extra large. This will be replacing this one. And I also got an extra card on to go on it. So I'll be able to just take this one off because it didn't get damaged and put it on the new helmet. And you know I'm not riding with no clear shield. So I do have a shield to go with it. And next time you see it, it will be ready to ride. Thanks.